Here we have this Caterpillar 428. The symptom, it's quite annoying, and the symptom, and the wheels should spin, no forward, no reverse, no nothing. So it's starting, the hydraulics work, but it doesn't go forward or reverse. So let's see. Somebody already opened here this cover, but he didn't look in the right place. Also this one should be removed, because just under this small cover you will find the solenoids for forward and reverse. Now, all the wires. So that one has brown and blue, and the other one yellow and purple, and they go into this plug. Yeah, the connectors are really clean, so I will need to check the voltages. So the ignition switch is on. This is reverse, but I have 10 volts. I think it's insufficient. There's no ground through the blue wire. But if I connect the ground to the chassis forward, I have a plus here. So that's the forward solenoid. So I have plus to the solenoid when I put in forward, but ground doesn't come. If I look, yeah, it's gray, not blue. Yeah, so I've checked all the wires to those solenoids, and they're good if you feed them with plus and minus from the fuse box panel. It works, but I found this.
Hi there, just a short break. If sometimes you like watching relaxing videos with old rusted cars, I mean this kind of videos, where a car like this one gets some repairs or a restore, and that without any commentary, no words, no voice, just subtitles. And if so, good news, because I've just launched a new channel which is exactly with this.
So please check it out. You will find the link in this video description. Now let's go back to this video and solve this problem. But I found this, which is located exactly in here, is the K19 neutralizer. And when I found this relay, where power it comes, and to see exactly what this relay sends, so I have the ground from the chassis, and I will check the, where are you? Here. Nothing, Nothing. So it means that exactly didn't had was ground. This is what this relay provides to the solenoids, ground. I think that's why it's called neutralizer. Yeah, so the owner told me that he doesn't use, he never used this function, this neutralizer, which has a switch, a button. So when you push that button, it goes to neutral. So in this case, I will mount a small fuse, a 5 amps fuse, instead of this relay. And one pin in here, which is 30 and 87A. Come on. In here.